Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Optoma HCPro-4400 4K UHD dual laser home cinema projector. So friend, Optoma has announced the HCPro-4400 a 4K UHD projector powered by Dolby Vision technology and bringing impressive images to the professional installation market and home cinema enthusiasts. So friend, the projector delivers cutting-edge 4K UHD visual and is designed to be the first on the market with certified for Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus and FILMMAKER mode. So friend, the projector lifelike imagery for enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows to viewing live spot with 32 lakh German contrast ratio and 5000 lumens of brightness for best cinematic experience with Dolby Vision optimizing each frame of content, and the projector brings the big screen experience home with remarkable brightness, contrast, and color, replacing the same image quality for Dolby Cinema in theaters for greater visual detail in depth and HDR10 plus enhanced content for improved dynamic range and color precision. So, friend, the model comes with easy to use geometric correction, 1.6 into zoom, vertical and horizontal lens shift, and 360-degree freedom for hassle-free setup from any angle in any space. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.